Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and observing the problem. Back up photos and settings, then inspect the screen for cracks or liquid residue. Once done, clean edges and connectors gently with a soft cloth and disable night mode or blue light filters so you see true colors. Make sure auto brightness is off while you test. It can mask color shifts. These initial checks prevent wasted steps and reveal whether the issue is hardware or software before you dive deeper into adjustments. Now adjust the system settings and recalibrate the display. Reset display settings to defaults, then slowly move color temperature and RGB sliders toward neutral while comparing a reference image. Once calibrated, use a trusted calibration app to refine gamma and white point. These apps guide you through visual steps for accuracy. Also update the operating system and any graphics firmware, then reboot so changes take effect. Doing these steps methodically corrects most software-driven color problems without hardware replacement. Finish by testing with multiple images and videos at different brightness levels to confirm consistent, natural colors. Once satisfied, lock settings and observe for a day. Transient glitches can reappear. If colors remain off, perform a factory reset as a last software step, but make sure you've backed up data. If the problem persists after reset, the likely cause is hardware. A failing display panel or loose connector, contact a repair service. One tip: document the issue with photos to show technicians exactly what you see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.